Hello, this is a quick video demonstration of the Yamaha HTR 7065 receiver for sale. As you can see, it's in excellent cosmetic condition with no major issues, scratches, or damage. It's also in good working condition. We'll go ahead and power it on. And you'll see that the monitor, it shows the main menu here, and we'll go ahead and turn it up. There you go. Volume works as it should. And the speakers sound good too. Let's give it a quick listen. I do not have the remote, no remote included. There's a little bit of white paint. I think it was against the wall right here. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for looking and have a good day.